Well, not surprisingly, local food banks are experiencing a big surge in demand for their services and food during this coronavirus pandemic. And they're also running out of food. Hunger Task Force leaders say that they are serving 400 more families right now than usual. So the food bank is teaming up with the La Crosse County Health Department to start a unique food drive that's actually never been done before here.
Yeah, that's right. Task force leaders are hopeful that this new food drive will help get the food bank back on solid footing. News 8 Now's Tyler Jobe has the story tonight.
We are in desperate need of canned goods.
The coronavirus pandemic shut down one of the Hunger Task Force's largest food drives of the year, originally planned for next month.
The Hunger Task Force typically receives, 10 to 20,000 pounds from the Stamp Out Hunger food drive, and that's not happening this year. We reached out to the community and said we're going to need some help.
Several local organizations, including Rotary Lights, quickly negotiated with the food bank to think of an idea.
I would say maybe 20 to 25 minutes, and we had it done.
We know that more food is needed right now. Kids out of school, businesses closing, people are struggling, some are out of work.
A new food drive called Food Drive Fridays will be geared towards donors bringing in all sorts of canned food items.
So if we could collect 20 to 30,000 food items in this 7 weeks, we would be very, very pleased with that.
The food drive will take place at the Valley View Mall, the County Health Department, and Big Lots starting next Friday. All donors have to do is drive up. The volunteers will then collect the food, adhering to health guidelines.
All of our helpers will be properly protected. There'll be good distancing.
Rotary Lights President Pat Stevens says several volunteers are signing up.
It just went out a few days ago, so I expect by this time next week we should be full.
Stevens understands the food needs for both the Hunger Task Force and the community.
I think a lot with this virus, everybody said together we can. So for the next 7 weeks, we've adopted the theme that together we cans, because we really need cans for the hunger food basket here.
The Hunger Task Force can't thank the community enough.
It's so very appreciated, and we can't wait to get started.
In La Crosse, Tyler Jobe, News 8 Now.
So this is a great way that a lot of us can help. And Food Drive Fridays, they plan on running them all the way through the end of May. Other organizations, including iFeed, also the Rotary, they'll be helping out. And keep in mind the Hunger Task Force, it's the food bank for all the food banks. And they do provide food to 91 different pantries, meal sites, also some youth programs throughout the county.